Welcome to the bonus side of the dry goat meat course. We have a business plan template to get you started in this dry goat meat business. So we want you to check that out at the end of this course. There's also going to be a case study video where we're interviewing an entrepreneur in this business. So please check that out when it drops. And here is also a list of equipment that you would need for this process. You would need, in the process of preparation and processing, your sharp knife and your butchering tools. You need a meat grinder with an optional equipment. You would also need your marinating containers for holding the meat while you marinate in your chosen brine or spice mixture. And then for the drying equipment, depending on the type of the method of drying that you have chosen, you need a dehydrator. This is a common household appliance. It helps to provide controlled temperature and airflow for consistent drying results. You could also need a drying cabinet or chamber for larger scale production. And then you need a smokehouse if smoking is what you want to go for. It's an optional equipment that is needed. Remember that it requires a dedicated smokehouse and knowledge of proper smoking techniques. Also, in the monitoring and storage stage, you will need your food thermometers to know when the meat has reached the proper internal temperature during processing and drying to guarantee your safety, to guarantee safety of the food rather. You would also need a moisture meter. This is an optional equipment. You need a vacuum sealer to remove air from the packaging, helping to extend the shelf life of your dry goat meat and preventing spoilage. You would also need airtight storage containers. Once packaged, you can store them in these airtight containers to maintain freshness and prevent moisture absorption. There's also a little quiz for you at the end of this course. So please check that out and see how much you have actually learned from this course. And yes, there's going to be a certificate for you at the end of the course. And you might be wondering, why do I need a certificate for dry goat meat production? Well, you could work in some particular kinds of places, but please note that these places that I have listed here might require you to have some additional certification. So please do more research on that. If you want to go into food production, you could work as a dry goat meat producer. You could work in a butcher shop or as a meat processor. You could work in co-packing facilities. You could work in food manufacturing companies. If you want to go into retail and distribution, you could work in specialty food stores, online marketplaces, and farmers markets. Sorry, if applicable. You could also go into education and training, where you're training people in the production of dried goat meat, and then you can go into working in a culinary school or in a cooking program. We have some videos for you to help you to enhance your learning of dried goat meat. So please check them out and learn more about this process. Connect to other learners, connect to entrepreneurs, and also learn more about this process. Thank you so much for coming to the end of the dried goat meat course. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will be sure to answer you. Bye for now.